All right. Welcome to our second video on polynomial long division. We're going to add a little twist to this one. Okay, so if you want to solve this on your own, you know the deal. Pause the video because I'm going to solve this with you and for you in just a couple seconds. All right, so in polynomial long division, we're going to take the first term here, x to the second power, and we're going to divide it by just the x, and x squared divided by x is going to be x. So we put the x to the first in the proper column over here, and then we multiply x times x plus 1. X times x is going to be x squared. X times 1 is plus x. Put parentheses around this, minus sign, do subtraction. First terms cancel out. 3x minus x is going to be 2x plus 5. We then take the first term here, come over to the side, divide it by just the x, and we get 2. And then we put the 2 up over here, and again we're going to multiply the 2 times this quantity here. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2, parentheses, subtraction sign out here, and then these first ones are going to cancel, and then we get 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. So we can't take the 3 and divide it by x because that's not possible. Okay, we can't do that. So what we do, this 3 is the remainder. Okay, so the way we're going to write this is we are going to write x plus 2 plus the remainder 3 over the divisor. And that's your final answer. Now we're going to put a box around this because that's our final answer. Okay, let's move down to our next problem. All right, so when I set this up, I notice I have x to the fourth power, x to the third power, x to the first power, but I'm missing an x to the second power position. So in order to do this properly, you have to fill in an x to the second position. We need a placeholder. 3x to the fourth minus 5x to the third plus 0x squared plus 4x minus 6. You need a space for the constant also. And then we just bring this down. X squared minus 3x plus 5. And we do what we did on the previous problem. We take the first term, 3x to the fourth, divided by x squared. And that's going to be 3x to the second power. So we put 3x to the second power right here, and then multiply 3x squared times x squared. That's going to be 3x to the fourth. 3x squared times negative 3x is going to be negative 9x to the third. 3x squared times 5 is going to be 15x squared. And that's the reason for the placeholder right there. We need something to line this up with. Put a minus sign out here. These cancel out. Negative 5x to the third minus negative 9x to the third is going to be 4x to the third minus 15x squared. And then we bring this down, 4x minus 6. Take the first term, 4x cubed, divided by x squared. That's going to be 4x to the first power. Then we put the 4x, we write that up here, and then we multiply 4x times this quantity out here. So 4x to the third minus 12x squared plus 20x, parentheses, subtraction. Okay, and cancel the first terms out. Negative 15 minus negative 12 is going to be 3x squared, negative 4x minus 20x is going to be negative 16x. Bring down the minus 6. And then we got the negative 3x squared divided by x squared, which is equal to negative 3. So we're going to put a negative 3 right in here, multiply. That's negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 15, parentheses, subtraction, cancel the first ones out. Negative 16x minus 9x is going to be negative 25x. Negative 6 minus negative 15 is going to be plus 9. So we can't do negative 25x divided by the first term. So this is our remainder. Okay, so we are going to write this answer as 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 plus the remainder, negative 25x plus 9 over the divisor, x squared minus 3x plus 5. We're going to put a little pseudo box around this thing because that's our answer. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.